Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the cycle selector switch on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the switch isn't working properly. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. We've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4-inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. So right here, this piece right here is our cycle selector switch. And in order to get it off, what we're going to do is we're going to have to take this front knob off. And the cycle selector switch, in our case, is going to be controlling our extra rinse cycle. So with this not working, it would either rinse when you're not wanting to do the extra rinse, or it would not rinse when you do want it to rinse more. But in any case, you just take that front knob off, and now we can unplug the wires from it. We've just got a couple of clips on the sides, so we'll squeeze those and pull the wires out. So now what we've got to do is right here, there's a small latch that's in place, and we're just prying it up with our screwdriver. We're getting it out of the hole there. We're going to twist it slightly, and it comes right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement cycle selector switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So to put this back into place, you can see that there's a bit of a square protrusion right here on the switch. So we're going to line up that square piece with the square hole. And once you do that, you're going to twist it until that little clip goes into the slot right there and locks into place. Now we can plug it back in, and we can put our knob back on. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. And now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.